Hey guys, it's Larry, and I have another layout for April 16th through the 22nd. Today I am using some artwork with these beautiful hummingbirds. This is called Hummingbird Haven, and this is from Grandma DiDi Designs. I will share a link for you below, but look at how pretty this is. This was a free PDF printable. And look at this sidebar. How sweet are thy words unto my taste, yea, sweeter than honey to my mouth. Psalm, can't read that, 119, 103. But I just thought this was adorable. I love the colors and of course the hummingbirds. So I brought this into Cricut Design Space and made these stickers. So there's the sidebar. Here are hummingbirds, and I like that it's a super muted tone. You can see these aren't like full photographs. They've been washed out a little bit or kind of toned down, but I think they're so pretty. There's a weekend banner. I made a whole bunch of different sizes of the roses, and then I made some of my little functional stickers and more roses. So just 3 little sheets. Super cute, and again I will have the link for her below, but let's get started. So again, it's April 16th through the 22nd. If you want to decorate along with me, go check out the download and you can print them out. But let's have some fun. Get out your planner, your journal, your TN, whatever you've got, and grab a cocktail. I'm going to play some music and we'll get started, and don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments. So let's get going, guys. think this is it. So final layout for April 16th through the 22nd. This is again from Grandma DiDi Designs. It's called Hummingbird Haven, and I just think it's adorable. So I tried to cover up some of my mistakes with stickers. I put a ton of these little rose stickers on there. If you're not aware, April 16th is Wear Your Pajamas to Work Day. So that's kind of cute. I made a little sticker for that. But I've got all of my functional stuff in here, and I tried to keep some white space, but I think it turned out adorable. I hope you love it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please do subscribe. I appreciate that. And for my subscribers, thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate you. And we will see you in the next video. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys.